In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up message in Wix Studio. If you're looking to boost engagement on your website or want to share important information with your visitors, adding a pop-up can be a fantastic way to draw attention. Stick around as I guide you through each step, ensuring you can achieve this even if you're not a tech expert. First, head over to your Wix website, log into your account, and make sure you're in the editor section of Wix Studio, where we can dive right into adding that pop-up. Once you're in the editor, focus on the highlighted sections of your page, which will provide a guiding path to follow during this process. Next, we're going to use the search bar. Simply click on it and type in lightboxes. Lightboxes are essentially pop-ups that can overlay on your main page, allowing you to display messages prominently. This is the term Wix uses, so once it appears, go ahead and click on it. After you've selected lightboxes, hit the search button. When the search results come up, you'll see various lightbox options tailored for different purposes. Find the one that suggests promoting a special offer or a new product. You can also use it to obtain subscriptions through a pop-up. This option is particularly effective for marketing, keeping your audience informed about new updates or gaining newsletter subscribers. Now it's time to choose your layout. Wix provides a variety of templates that you can customize. It's important to select a layout that aligns with the aesthetic and message of your website. Once you've chosen a suitable layout, click to see Announcements and select the We're Back option. But don't worry if you want to create a different type of message. This is all customizable in the next steps. With your layout chosen, you can now customize the text and visual elements of the pop-up. This is where your creativity can shine. You might want to think about the information you'd like to convey and how best to do that. Edit the text to suit your needs and ensure it's inviting and clear to your website visitors. The font, color, and background can all be adjusted to match your site's branding. Finally, after you finish customizing your pop-up message, it's crucial to save your changes. Always make sure your hard work is locked in by clicking on the Save button. This ensures that your pop-up will appear on your site exactly as you designed it. And there you have it. You now have a fully functional pop-up message embedded in your Wix website, ready to captivate your audience and communicate your key messages effectively. Remember, pop-ups are powerful tools when used correctly, so consider experimenting with different styles and messages over time to see what resonates best with your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!